How to turn on and off mentions from following on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can allow or disallow mentions from people you follow on your REDnote app. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app in your phone and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and you will be prompted to your profile page. Once you are in your profile page, simply tap on the gear icon shown beside the profile button, and by tapping on that you will enter the settings section. From here, simply tap on privacy settings, and in this section you can see the option labeled only allow mentions from following. You can easily turn it on if you only want to mentions from people you follow, or simply turn it off if you prefer to allow mentions from everyone by simply toggling on and off. And that's all there is to it. In just few taps, you have customized your mention exactly the way you want. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.